Mountains all around, international opportunities, and magnificent views. Should I move here? This city looks gorgeous. Salut, I'm Valley, and every time I come to a new beautiful place, I immediately want to move over there. So I decided to turn my obsession into a little YouTube show. And today I am obsessed with Grenoble. I have 5 city missions and only 24 hours to answer the main question if I actually can live here. Should I move here? So everything I need is in those envelopes, all my missions for the day. The first one is home, because if I don't have any house in the city, so this video is going to be really short, right? Very, very short first episode. I am ready. Are you ready? Okay. I got my first mission. Okay, so it says, find a real estate agency, find a place to rent for 700 per month or less, or find an apartment to buy for 70K or less. Ooh, that's gonna take me time because I haven't seen that many real estate agencies, first of all. Okay, we're not wasting any more time. I'm running away. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I will find the accommodation. I will find everything. You'll see. So I'm checking right now the real estate agencies. I think it's pretty hard to find accommodation for those prices. But let's see, this is my mission number 1. I don't know about real estate, but I really like this door. That's it. That's all I wanted to say. Oh my goodness, this is nice. It's nice, right? It's nice. I see it. So, ooh, nice. I got it. No, wait, this is 59K to buy an apartment. By the way, it's 11 square meters. I found something for 380, right? But again, it's 12 square meters. This one is 350. It's a big apartment, almost 70 square meters, but they say it's a bad neighborhood, right? This one, 500. It's pretty cheap. It's cheap. Maybe I'm buying an apartment here. Do I have money? No. But this show will be on fire, so I will be on fire. I am on fire right now. I'm burning. Sorry guys, I had to find a nice spot in shades because I was so hot. Anyway, let's talk about my apartment. For 59,000 euros to buy, and the most expensive I've seen was a house for almost €1 million. Do I want this house? I think it was too big for me. It's fine. It's okay. Just for the conclusion, I think we can find accommodation here in Grenoble. I don't think it's that hard. Now, when I have my home, I need to get out of it, right? I need to do something. So, next mission is lifestyle. The sound of struggle. Visit the tourist office, choose 5 things to do sometimes in the city, and complete one of them immediately. I saw the tourist office already. Let's just go, and then come back and talk about that. Let's just go. I'm rolling out of the shot. You're right. I'm alive. Everything is good. I just have some... Oh là là. Oh no. Big problem. Okay, talking about lifestyle in Grenoble. Right now there is a big race. People are running for several days, like 3 days. Crazy, let's see. And I'm still on the way to Office du Tourisme. It was closed.
Bienvenue à celles et ceux qui nous rejoignent. Vous êtes sur Kilomètre Master Romain et Quentin.
that's so nice. A little bit tired already. Now I need to find my new lifestyle, Brian. A market. Market. We are passing. Beautiful, nice. Office du tourism. I got so many things, and I also have more somewhere in my backpack. We are going to find my new lifestyle here in Grenoble because I'm going to move here, like for sure. Yeah. But firstly, let's go to Boulangerie. We need a croissant for our final croissant rating of the city. I saw one over there. Yeah, let's go. Smells good, I'm ready. My task was to find 5 hobbies here in Grenoble, but also try one of them. I'm going to cheat, but hear me out. I am not going to try any hobbies, but I'm going to show you my personal footage from things I've done around Grenoble before, because I live in this area and some things are done already. It's going to be interesting. Anyway, let's discuss those. Of course, skiing. Sometimes I just go to ski resorts for fun. You can do so many things over there. This is one of the craziest, the funniest activity. It's rail something. This one is called Velerail. It's a really nice experience, something to try definitely. And also I love all those like railway cars. Last time it was for my birthday in February, and it was one of my favorite descents. Fascinating. So I would do this non-stop. The moment I have time and money to go, I go. Another thing, interesting. There are 11 free museums in Grenoble and around Grenoble. Honestly, I've been to some already. My favorite is Musée de Fenois, where we shoot the beginning and the end of this episode. I'm sorry for going without you. Just life happened. Next time, we'll go together. Coming back to mountains, we have caves. The last cave I've been was actually great. The experience is worth it, 100%. As I noticed, there are a lot of events for free. I'm a big fan of medieval events, especially if events are free, I'm going. So yeah, again, we are in mountains. There are a lot of rivers, lakes and stuff like that. Several days ago, we were boating on the biggest lake in France. Canyoning can be nice as well. A lot of things with water entertainment, and of course hiking. Am I a big fan of hiking? It really depends. Yeah. One of my favorite hobbies is traveling. So if the city has nice location, I'm fine. Mission number 3 is going to be location. French map. And measure the distance to Paris, the nearest major French cities, the nearest airports, the nearest neighboring countries. Use highly scientific measuring equipment. This map has 2 sides. So you have this side, and then you flip it and you have the other one. And they are not connected. I cannot unfold them. Okay. I found Grenoble. Torino, Spain. It's gonna be really complicated because I cannot measure to Geneva, for example, because the map is like, it's 1-layer map. I need to buy a new map. Whoa, 15 centimeters to Torino. I know that Marseille is a pretty big city, so Grenoble to Marseille is going to be 21 centimeter. This is too much. I'm going to show you. If you want to swim in the sea, this is the closest point. You need to take a bus from Grenoble to Marseille. It's gonna take you 4 hours and it's going to be like 19 euros. To go to Torino, you need to spend 22 euros or more, and it will take you 3 hours by bus. You can go to Lyon, 5 euros only, and you go by bus. But the nearest airport is here, very close to Lyon, and it's going to be a shuttle, and it's more expensive than to go to Lyon. It's going to be like 12 euros. You're gonna also go to Geneva, so we're talking about another country. And there is an airport as well, and it's gonna be from 15 euros by bus. To go to Paris, it's gonna be 22 euros by bus, but 8 hours. But you also can find a train for like 26 euros. And you can go to Barcelona. It's gonna be a night bus for 32 euros or more. That's not how I imagined explaining the location, but that's how it happened. I will improve. I love the location. The location is great. There are 3 countries you can reach by bus, 2 big airports. There are big cities around. And even Paris, actually 3 hours by train. It's a great location. What can I say? I think I'm moving here, so we need to stop. Okay, we are going to do 2 more envelopes. Maybe those 2 envelopes will change everything. I don't know. Next mission is future. Visit the local university, check opportunities for international students, and find your dream English-speaking job before sunset. Okay, the first one is easy because we're here already. I'm just going to walk you around and we're going to talk about opportunities for international students. Let's have fun. Can you actually come to Grenoble through education? Yes, you can. This is one of the largest universities in France. We're here. Really nice campus. So our variants are bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, I think PhD programs as well, fully in English. But there is one thing, it's very popular for engineering, science, research, technology. If those are your fields, I think it's going to be easier. By the way, you can come to this university with the DUEF program, the program I came with to France. It's an amazing program. You just learn French, a little bit of French culture. It's an academic year. It's an official diploma, but not like a degree, just a diploma. And for sure, I have some information about that. If you just scroll to the description, you'll find that because diploma in French studies is what I did. And it's nice. And they have it here in this university, Grenoble University. And I think it's not from the lowest level, but it's still possible. If you're interested in this one, if you don't speak French yet, consult my description. Let's have a look at the university map. We are somewhere here. It's cute, it's really big. Nice. I just like the nature around. Great. We need to talk. I'll place you here, guys, because we need to talk a little bit more about the jobs. Big problem, I cannot find an English-speaking job here so far. Can I get any type of job not being an engineer in English? That's the question. We can be English teachers, maybe receptionists, if our level of French is not too low. What else can we do here? Babysitting jobs in English? I don't think this mission can be complete. It's okay, you know? It was too good. It was perfect. Anyway, I'm getting hungry. My croissant stinks. We are going back to where everything started. Going to have the last look on Grenoble, and I'm going to give you the croissant rating about the city and answer the question if I actually should move here. Yeah. Okay, beautiful people, we're back, and I'm just in front of the museum where we started this episode, my first pilot episode, and I'm ready to do my first croissant rating of a French city, which is Grenoble. I'm a liar, because we did 4 missions. We're missing one here because it was a secret. It's secret materials. Mission number 5. We're going to open immediately. No more extra minutes. So open every secret file, decide whether each fact is a deal maker or a deal breaker. Okay, whatever. Nothing can stop me from moving to Grenoble. Or something can, I don't know. Around 20 ski resorts are within about 1 hour. You heard me before. I said I love skiing, so this is like big green flag. Big green flag. Let's see the next one. Grenoble's tap water comes directly from the mountains. I love that. So what do you mean? That's amazing. Okay? So yeah, okay. Okay. I'm buying an apartment. Remember the apartment for 59K that I don't have? I'm buying that one. Anyway, Grenoble is considered one of France's best cycling cities. I saw it today. Grenoble gets around 2,100 hours of sunshine a year. Are those only green flags? Because maybe this is the last one. Around 9,000 international students study in Grenoble every year for everyone who wants to move through education. Again, guys, you know what? I will give a croissant for that. Sorry. I will give a croissant for this one because that sounds good. Now, let's do it. Home, 1 croissant. Deserved. Location, 1 croissant. Deserved. Lifestyle, you saw it. Deserved. Future, I would not give it a croissant. I am so sorry, guys. Maybe there are a lot of opportunities for you. Let me know in comments, but not for me. I'm not interested in universities anymore. And also, I couldn't find anything in English in my field. And I think secret materials, fun facts about the city, a croissant. Okay, yes. So we got 4 croissants. It's an amazing city, but I think I want to see more cities, French or not French. If you know any cities I should visit and ask myself, should I move here? Let me know also. I'm leaving the city. I'm leaving today. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, guys. First, I'm going to eat because like a whole day without food was really hard.